So welcome to today's daily cipher. So we go to our daily cipher dashboard. So our daily cipher for today is Telegram. So when it is dot, you tap. When it is dash, you long press. So we start with letter T. So T is dash. So you click on dash, then you give your T, then he dot. So then L as dot dash dot 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 dash dot dot. Then we have another E, that's dot. Then G dash dash dot dash dash dot. Then R dot dash dot. Then A dot and dash. Then M dash dash. So that's our daily cipher for today. You take your price. So do well to like, subscribe, and drop a comment in the comment section. And more importantly, make sure you join our Telegram channel where you'll be getting updates on how to make money online. See you next time for more updates.